Holly Young and I'm a milliner, which means I'm a hat maker and a maker of bespoke bridal accessories, anything for your head really, for special occasions. I inherited a box of feathers from my grandfather and it had all these different feathers that he had collected for his fly fishing. I used the feathers to make some of my early pieces and that really ignited my love of natural British feathers. So it's really nice to have that connection and feel that somehow he's influencing my work. The thing that I love about millinery, I love working with my hands. And I love the process of having some materials, whatever that is, beads, feathers, felt, and creating something and then seeing it on somebody looking amazing. It's very difficult to actually replicate the art of millinery in a factory situation. So everything is stitched by hand. And I love the fact that I'm able to keep doing such a hands-on trade in a very modern technological age. There's two main strands to my business, working with clients face to face to make something bespoke for them, and then there's selling things online. With my ready-to-wear pieces, even though they are pieces which I can replicate, they're still handmade and they have their own sort of unique qualities to them. You could see something in the current collection and have a slight variation of it. People often email me and say, I really love this bridal comb that you've got, but can you make it a bit longer? Can you add some feathers to it? And because I'm making it here in the studio, then that's absolutely fine. Often for people, deciding to get something made for them is quite a big decision. The way that I work, it is very much a conversation and a process and an experience with a lot of time spent thinking about how it's going to be and work and look and how it's going to make that person feel. I'll normally ask them to bring in any elements of their outfit that they've got already. Once we've looked at the colour chart, I've normally got a bigger piece of fabric that we can hold up against their face and their hair. We'll have a lot of fun trying on different things. And then as long as we've got the base shape and colour decided, the rest is still open to change later on if we need it to. The process of actually shaping a hat, you will steam the fabric and stretch it over a wooden mould. I like to use vintage blocks when I can to get that authentic shape. I've got a block which I really treasure, which is from the 50s. You can see all the little tiny pin marks in from years of other people making hats, and I love them as an object of their own right. Like imagining what hats have been made on this and who's worn things that have been made on this and whose hands have touched this, and now my hands are touching it. That's a really nice way of visualising the lineage of millinery as an art form. Everything is handmade, really thought about, really considered. My designs are not trend-based. They can be worn again and again. It's not fast fashion. It's something to really enjoy and wear again. When they put the hat on for the first time finished, you can just see them like puff up and imagine themselves in that future event that they're transported into, and I'm transported there too, and it is a really like excited, tingly moment. Then somehow it's all like, right, I've got my hat sorted, I've got my outfit sorted, I know it's going to be okay and I'm just going to enjoy the day.